First, I'm going to start adding hard disks to simulate RAID solutions on Windows Server 2016. So we're going to create a VHD virtual hard disk, dynamically allocated, and I'm going to choose the size of 2 gigabytes. I'm going to create it, choose it, and then create the second one, but this time the size that I will choose is going to be 1 gigabyte instead of 2. So I create it and I choose it. And now that we attached 2 disks, we can start our virtual machine to access the server manager and make the corresponding changes. So we're going to wait for the machine to be on and we'll be back in a couple of seconds. So now in our server manager, I'm going to go into tools, computer management, then disk management, and we have to convert our disks online and initialize them because initially they're offline. It's a policy set by the administrator. And I'm going to start by simply creating a new volume on the hard disk. Simple volumes mean that I have some space consumed from a single hard drive, so everything's going to be on the hard drive assigned to a single physical disk. It doesn't have to encompass the entire drive. So I hit on finish, and as we can see, it was done. For the span drive, when the first drive fills, it spills over the second one. Their advantage is that the little chunks I'm taking from different physical drives don't have to be the same size. So here I chose 250 megabytes. Exceptionally, I chose them the same size. And then the drives are added together. On the other hand, it's not fault tolerant, so if you happen to lose one of them, the only information you're going to lose is the one on that drive, but you should be able to still read what's on the other drives. So I hit OK, and we're gonna see the span chunks in disks 1 and 2. Okay, so right after that, we're gonna pass now to striping. So it corresponds to RAID 0. What does it do? So it writes to all the drives at the same time. So a block of data that I want to store will be striped across both drives they have to be in the same size. So I chose 200 megabytes. The advantage is that it's fast because I can write and read on multiple drives at the same time. The problem with stripe sets is that it's fault intolerant, so if I lose one drive, I can't access any of the others because the information is striped across it. And now we're gonna pass to mirroring, also known as RAID 1, where the data is replicated on 2 or more disks. It is a good choice for applications that require high performance and high availability. So I'm gonna name it mirrored and I'm gonna perform a quick format. Hit on next and finish. We're gonna wait for it, and of course we can do RAID 5 configuration as well with dynamically allocated hard disks.